In this Japanese-style tiny home, space is transformed through a thoroughly designed long cabinet arrangement that stretches along one side of the main living area. This extended built-in cabinet serves multiple functions. It acts as a low bench-style sofa for relaxing, a casual work surface for daily activities or laptop use, and a hidden storage solution that keeps the room clutter-free. At the far end of the cabinet line is a loft bed structure seamlessly integrated into the layout. Beneath this elevated bed is another multifunctional cabinet system that can store bedding. Seasonal items are daily essential. The clever combination of seating, workspace, or storage into a single continuous structure reflects traditional Japanese efficiency while maintaining of minimalism aesthetic. This smart layout enhances livability, making the compact tiny home feel spacious, organized, and highly functional.